Namaste everyone. I hope you're doing great. So my name is Rohit Chopra, the founder of Adhyatma Yoga, and today we are going to do yoga for hair loss. So let us understand what are the causes of the hair loss problems that we face. One of the main causes is basically the pollution in the air. Now that is something that we cannot do a lot about, especially if you are in major cities. But what we can do is that for that we can have a healthy routine for the hair. Like, so you can oil your hair once a week, and shampoo the hair. So at least once a week you should cleanse your head and the hair with nice organic shampoo or healthy natural based shampoo. The next reason I would say is that people who have a lot of stress, even that can be a reason for the hair fall. And these days many people have a lot of stress, different kind of stress. So that is also one of the reasons. So we need to understand about stress is that you cannot actually do anything if you stress. Like, definitely maybe a little bit of stress is needed, but then if you are actually if that is creating a burden on us, like if any kind of stress is creating a burden on us and is really troubling us, so that is not a good thing. So we need to understand that by stressing actually we cannot solve any problem. Instead what we can do is we can try to find solutions for the problems, and if we cannot find any solution, then if the solution cannot be in our own hands, then it's better to not to stress about it, right? Because there is no use to stress. The third reason is those people who have unhealthy diet plans, who eating a lot of junk food and processed flour, like white flour. And what happens, like, junk food and processed food, so these have very low amount of nutrients for the body, and even the body cannot extract a lot of nutrients, because these the junk food, it kind of forms a undigestible layer in the stomach. So we need to take care of that. So these are the three reasons, and let us start with the asanas. The first asana that we are going to do is Sarvangasana. So for Sarvangasana, please lie down. So now the first stage of Sarvangasana is breathing in, raise both the legs together. So this is the first stage, and you can stay here for some time, and then breathing out, going down. So after you have perfected this stage of Sarvangasana, you can go to the next stage, breathing in, and now from here we will raise the hips and go up like this. Just you stay there for some time, and then slowly going down. So the Sarvangasana is very good for the hair and is also very good for the stomach. So as I said, like sometimes if the stomach is not good, then it can lead to hair problems, hair graying, hair fall. So this asana really works on both the things, like the stomach and the hair and all. So next asana is Shashank asana. For Shashank asana, sit in Vajrasana like this, and now breathing in, go up, and then breathing out, Go down.
So trying feel we can stay here for some time. And now breathing in, going up.
And then breathing out, going down. And the third asana is Ushtrasana. For Ushtrasana, we'll again come on the knees like this. And now breathing in, we'll go back. We'll rest the hand on the heel and look at the above hand. If you can go back, it's even better. And then breathing out like this. Same with the other side. Breathing in, going back and shifting the weight of the body on the heel, and the other we look at the other hand like this. And then from here, if you're comfortable, you can go back. And then breathing out. So you can practice this asana for 3 times. So these were the three asanas, and also do take care of the precautions I said. It's very important. And let me know about your experience. If you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. And if you want to take a direct class with me, do feel free to connect with me on Instagram. The link is in the description box below. So take care, everyone. Stay happy, stay healthy, and namaste.